Welcome, you are listening to Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India's COVID-19 tally on Friday reached 73,70,469 after a fresh spike of 63,371 cases was recorded in the past 24 hours, Union Health Ministry said in its daily update. Meanwhile, 70,338 coronavirus patients were cured discharged during the same time frame, taking to 64,53,780 the total number of recoveries. The number of global novel coronavirus cases topped 3.88 crore, while the deaths have soared to more than 10,97,180. Center for System Science and Engineering revealed in its latest update, Johns Hopkins University said. The total number of cases stood at 3,88,33,032 and the fatalities increased to 10,97,189 according to its latest update. A 15-year-old Dalit girl was allegedly raped by two men in a village in Sachendi area of Kanpur district, police said on Friday. The incident took place on Thursday night when the girl had gone outside a field to attend nature's call, said Sachendi's police station officiating in charge Ashok Kumar. Two persons identified as Govind Balmiki, 19, and Ajay alias Shiv Bodhan, 30, raped her on a field, he added. The girl somehow managed to reach home and told her parents about the incident, he said, adding the police lodged an FIR under relevant section of the Indian Penal Code and the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act on the parents' complaint on Friday. The medical examination of the victim was conducted at the Community Health Center, Kalyanpur, but the reports hasn't been received as yet, Kumar said. Deputy Inspector General of Police of Kanpur Range, Dr. Pritendra Singh, said the police acted promptly and arrested the accused. Concerned with the increasing level of pollution in Delhi and NCR, Supreme Court on Friday appointed former Apex Court Judge M.B. Lokur as one-man committee to monitor the stubble fire and smoke and pollution issue and take preventive steps with the help of Chief Secretaries of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. We appoint former Apex Court Judge M.B. Lokur as one-man committee to monitor the stubble fire and smoke issue, a bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bobde said. The Apex Court also said it is concerned the way pollution is increasing here in Delhi and NCR and said the possibility of smoke from stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana choking the NCR. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said the government has reservation about appointment of local committee. To this, the Apex Court clarified that it has not given any extraordinary jurisdiction to former Judge Justice Lokur, who will look into the stubble burning and smoke issue. Equity benchmark BSE Sensex rebounded 320.33 points to trade at 40,048.74 in opening deals on Friday, led by intense buying mainly in banking and IT counters. Likewise, the broader NSE Nifty surged 86.75 points or 0.74% to 11,767.10 in early trade. On the Sensex chart, IndusInd Bank, Tata Steel, Infosys, ONGC, Kotak Bank, NTPC and Bharti Airtel were among prominent gainers. Of the 30 Sensex constituents, 27 were trading in the green. Asian shares were trading on a mixed note amid growing fears about resurgence of coronavirus cases in some countries. On Thursday, the Sensex has plummeted by 1,066.33 points or 2.61% to end at 39,728.41. The broader NSE Nifty had crashed to 90.70 points or 2.43% to 11,680.35. Foreign institutional investors turned net seller in the capital market as they offloaded shares worth Rs 604.07 crore on Thursday, exchange data showed. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.